I worked in telecom company for the last 12 years, but then decided to become a food blogger, food traveler. In order to cook what I'm craving, I need to learn all the basics, all the tips and tricks. There's always room to learn, there's always room to explore. This is why I'm here in ICCA. Myself in social media, basically it reflects my life. I always get questions, do you always eat? It's not eating, it's tasting, but yeah, I love my social life. So many people to feed and make them happy, or so many restaurants to explore. I even went through a marathon of exploring almost huge number in one day. So yeah, it's a crazy passion, and I think it will never end. I think it's the confidence. It's the word when my teacher calls me chef, gave me motivation, and they gave us really hard time, but yeah, it's the confidence. To all my teachers, to everyone in ICCA administrative, to the receptions, to the even men in black, by the way, who cleans the dishes and everyone here. Thank you all. It was an honor to be here, and I hope I will not cry on my graduation day. Thank you all. It was really an honor to be with you guys.